Hi, welcome to the Pharma Topics channel. Welcome to the seventh series of multiple choice questions related to Food Safety Officer exam preparation. A sample for testing to accredited laboratory is sent by the food safety officers. When sample has been taken by the food safety officers, it will be sent to the food analyst on succeeding working day. In case of imported food articles, the food analyst shall send the report within the period of 5 days. The penalty for selling of food not of the nature or substances of quality demanded is not exceeding 5 lakhs. All proceedings before adjudicating officer are demanded to be the judicial proceedings. 1 Faraday is equal to 9.62 into 10 to the power 4 coulombs. Any person aggrieved by any decision or order of the tribunal may file to High Court within a period of 60 days. Under the repeal and savings of FSSA, a license issued under any such enactment or order which are in force of the date of commencement of FSSA Act shall continue to be in force till the date of expiry. The Food Safety and Standards Rules 2011 came into force from 5th August 2011. The Food Analyst Issue Report is in Form 7A. Bronze is an alloy of copper, zinc, and stanium, that is tin. Total 11 manuals have been issued by Director General of Health Services, New Delhi, for analyzing the sample of food articles. Pasteurized cream is used mandatorily to make table butter. The appeal by food business operator to designated officer against the report of food analyst is to be made within 30 days. Every appeal, petition or application made by the appellant or the petitioner before appellate tribunal shall be 3 copies. Full cream milk, standardized milk and skimmed milk all shall remain homogeneous and no deposition of solids shall take place on standing. A food business operator having cereals, pulses, milling units installed with a capacity of 5 metric ton per day will have to obtain license from the state licensing authority. Any food articles delivered to the consumer by e-commerce FPO shall have a shelf life of 30% or 45 days. Use of the coumarin or parapropyl anisole and dihydrocoumarin all are prohibited in any articles of food. A raw milk is brought to dairy plant by a producer or a farmer should be within 4 hours of milking. Warm meat meant for immediate sale has to be stored. There is no condition like storing in cool condition for warm meat. Every person employed for meat handling at the meat shop shall be medically examined annually for sputum and X-ray of chest, stool for protozoal infections and the presence of enteropathogens. Once thawed, the pre-prepared food shall not be refreezed for future use. The reaction between barium hydroxide and acetone to give diacetone alcohol is called aldol condensation. The color of nitroso compound is yellow. The word not for phenylketonurics shall be displayed on the products containing aspartame, that is methyl ester. The following is used for magnetic recording tape, that is steriline. If the label is less than 100 square centimeter, there is no requirement for list of ingredients, lot number or nutritional information to be printed on the package label. A food business operator shall comply with the provisions of the Food Safety and Standards Packaging Regulations 2018 by 1st July 2019. Maximum permitted amount of non-volatile substances released food material or article into food stimulants is overall migration limit. Printing inks for use on food packages shall conform to IS 15495. The following polymer is used to make a non-stick cookware or non-stick tawa, that is polytetrafluoroethylene PTFE. The wax used for coating of paper or board for packaging of food shall be paraffin wax. The suggested packaging material for milk and milk products under Schedule 4 of FSS Packaging Regulations 2018 are wax coated paper, butter wrappers, mud or clay pots, and tin plate containers are also used. Condensed milk, sweetened milk powder, skimmed milk powder shall not be sold except under ISI certification mark. Flavored tea shall be sold only by the manufacturers registered with the tea board. Imported coconut oil, olive oil can be sold for human consumption as such without any process. N-hexane is the solvent permitted to be used in extraction of cocoa butter, oil and fats and edible soya flour. Methyl mercury, calculated as an element as a contaminant in food, can be maximum 0.25 parts per million in beverages, meat and fish products and sugar confectionery and vegetable oils. Aflatoxin is a crop contaminant. Micronutrients are vital parts of fortified food. Heme iron shall not be used in any form in any article as iron source. Every manufacturer and packer of fortified food shall give undertaking on quality assurance twice in a year. Milk and vegetable oil shall be fortified with vitamin A and vitamin D. The source of nutrient for iron fortification in double fortified salt is ferrous sulfate. People with thalassemia may take under medical supervision statement appears in the package of double iodized salt. The tagline on the package of fortified food is Sampurna Poshan Swasth Jeevan. Food that contains non-viable food components that confer health benefits to the consumer by modulation of gut microbiota are the foods with prebiotic ingredients. Staple food are not defined under Section 22 of FSSA Act 2006. Vitamins, minerals, and amino acids specified in Schedule 1 and 2 of the FSS Health Supplements Nutraceuticals Regulation 2016 means nutrient ingredients. Kindly go through all the series available in the Pharma Topics channel. All the best for your forthcoming exams. Thank you for listening to this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel for further updates. Thank you.